But let's just keep it moving. Next one, New Balance 990V6. 990V6. Action Bronson Baklava. It's all about the quality, the colors, the rollout, the limited editionness of it. It's just one of those shoes that overall, if you do appreciate the art of creating a silhouette and color blocking it and all that type of stuff, you'll appreciate it's a very what's the word, very polarizing shoe. Some people think it's kind of doesn't match with anything. Some people like me love it. Reminds me of maybe the Nike Dunk Viotech, even the Air Max 90 Viotech were two of my favorite shoes. I got both of them, and those two shoes, they kind of, there's not a lot of stuff that goes with that Viotech purple and that color blocking with like the purple, the yellow, and all this crazy stuff on it, but it just works. And when you throw that shoe on, it just works. Throw it on with some blue jeans and a white tee. That's all you need, yo. Just do it. Just do it. I can't afford them not right now at least, but I will cop those one day. Didn't buy any New Balance this year for the most part. Yeah, I was all protection packed out last year and Casablanca out and all that stuff in 2021 and 2022. Skipped out on a lot there, mainly Nike, and scooping up whatever Yeezys that I thought were worth buying in 2023.